There are many methods of providing content management to the users of websites, from coding in C++ to using proprietary software like Macromedia's Contribute. So, why use neatComponents? Because neatComponents is much more than just content management. This short presentation explains how neatComponents will form the foundation of your website developments. neatComponents is the one product that will transform your business. neatComponents is a website development system that makes it simple to build, manage, host and build multiple websites, build and manage complex data-driven websites, and provide them all with full content management without specialist knowledge or database skills. neatComponents is a software package that's installed in your Windows server, which provides integrated website hosting and all aspects of management. There is no special client software to buy, install or maintain, just a current web browser. neatComponents is 100% about increasing profitability, reducing your labor costs, eliminating the need to outsource, increasing productivity, and increasing capability. Business is all about making money. neatComponents helps you make it. neatComponents is a professional development environment. It probably is not attractive to web enthusiasts, code jockeys, and people making websites as a hobby. There's a lot of software for you to play with, from FrontPage to Cold Fusion and Mambo to Midgard. Learn about MySQL, write PHP, enjoy. neatComponents removes the need to write code and wrestle with database management, all that fun stuff. But if your business or department makes websites for a living, then neatComponents is for you. neatComponents is for companies who make websites for others, website developers and graphic design companies, and corporate website designers building large company websites, intranets and extranets. So what's so clever about neatComponents? neatComponents is a component-based system. Each task you need to perform has been encapsulated into a component that you add to the website, just like constructing a building by adding one brick at a time. Each component is configured from a control panel associated with it. There's never any programming. All the functionality is directly available to you. Each component used is very robust, just like a brick. This means you can't break a neatComponents website by misprogramming. neatComponents increases your bottom line, you reduce costs. neatComponents does not need programming knowledge. This means you can reduce your labor costs. Graphic designers can do the work that previously required expensive programmers. Administrative support staff can do the work of web designers. Building websites with neatComponents is fast. There's no need to outsource overseas. You can achieve the cost savings of outsourcing to India and still keep full in-house control. You don't even need to employ more people. The tight user permissions and server-based editing mean that you can use freelance workers, avoid payroll taxes, staffing problems, healthcare costs, or severance package hassles. There's no client software to install. No more headaches for IT departments of another set of files to deploy, upgrade and test. Your administrative and support costs are slashed. neatComponents is fully rebrandable. The logo shown on the editing tools within the system can be replaced with your own logo and a link to your own site. neatComponents is inexpensive. A full, permanent neatComponents license will cost you less than 1/4 of just the base pay cost of only one ordinary graphic design specialist, and that's outside the metropolitan area. neatComponents is comprehensive. It provides all of the tools you need: website hosting, website management, usage meters, accounts and client billing, data handling, forms, email, database control, e-commerce, plus user management, access controls, and item-by-item permissions. neatComponents provides a hosting environment for all your customers or departments' websites. All the complexity of setting up is removed. Simply create site, and then set the domain name and IP address. The site creator component allows new clients to self-sign up for a site with a minimum of questions asked and absolutely no interaction required. The clients are able to get started quickly with your own template site and can be given a free trial period before charging plans are applied to the account. A reseller can clone a site to create a template site saving time on repeating development work and enabling you to give your sites a consistent look or behavior. The Site Manager component provides a control center where you can manage your client websites, create template sites, charging plans, review customer client accounts, and see an overview of their business. Distributors who need to log on to their client resellers' customers' sites can log on with their own credentials and impersonate their client reseller, speeding up support calls and without the need to ask for client passwords. neatComponents provides each client with their own account that shows invoices and payments to their site, together with any other charges you may need to make. The account manages online payments, credit limits, and emails to client if they need to make payments. In extremis, it can even suspend their sites if they exceed their credit limit. Billing can be by page hits, bandwidth, or time. neatComponents provides full page-by-page hit recording for every site. The system provides powerful data handling tools based on a relational database model. There are three types of components used to handle data: data feeds from forms, queries, and views. Data feeds store or provide access to the raw data. For example, a form provides a data entry form for a user to fill in. You can create data input forms in minutes, and you can produce form relevant emails for action and confirmation instantly. Queries allow you to sort and select the raw information provided by the data feeds. And views take the output from a query and present it to users in a variety of ways, from a simple table of information, scrolling news tickers, and calendars, etc. A range of data types allow for the intelligent handling of textual, numeric, and image data, as well as joins between data feeds. There is no limit to the quantity or complexity of the data structures. Advanced features allow for the efficient presentation of vast amounts of information, and the tools provide elegant handling of hierarchical data structures. neatComponents provides full control of the catalog building, and the system allows e-commerce by providing shopping cart facilities and interfaces to online payment gateways such as WorldPay and PayPal. neatComponents makes the complexity of assigning user permissions and site access a simple point-and-click task. Create secure extranets easily. The neatComponents server can work with SSL secure certificates if end-to-end encryption is required. In all cases, user passwords are one-way encrypted to prevent exposure, even in the event of the server being physically compromised. Every page, every component, has permissions that can be set on a user group by user group basis. All aspects of the site can be configured to be edited by users. They don't need any editing software on their machines, and they don't need to use FTP or other technical tools. The user-friendly on-screen editor means there's virtually no training required. Workflow locking allows teams to work on the same site without the danger of overwriting each other's work. Approval controls allow editorial control of changes before they're released to the public, and user group edit controls can be set to protect the site structure from accidental damage during editing by non-skilled users. neatComponents is all about making your website development business more profitable. Empowering end users to edit their own pages means that you can concentrate on winning new business, whilst the system takes care of existing clients. neatComponents is all about making your department more efficient. Delegating page and section updating means updates happen faster, and the system makes sure that no one breaks the corporate style or publishes inappropriate information. For more information on neatComponents, please contact us. We'd be happy to talk to you.